Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Today is Christmas. I got me a new gift from my beautiful wife right here that's recording. Ain't that right, Melanie?
Yep.
We're gonna go all the way, man. The car's still riding good, looking good. But we're gonna replace these tail lights. But before we do that, ain't shit wrong with the tail lights. Give them a look at these tail lights. They look brand new, really.
Yeah, they are.
They look fresh, brand new. Ain't shit wrong with them. But let's pop this truck. See what the gift she gave me. We're gonna do a little unboxing for y'all. Look at him. That's how it comes, brand new, fresh out the box. I don't see all that shit.
Plug and play.
Yeah, these always plug and play. What we gonna do? Let's get that. Bust this open.
Hey, it came really nice with a handle and everything on the box.
Yeah, it did. I don't want to tear up the box.
No,
Yeah.
please don't.
Alright, so I'll just open it like that. Okay, open it from the side. Boom! Oh, blam, blam! Man, those things looking clean. I can't wait to get them in there.
I thought it was the wrong one because the box has the chrome. So they come in the black background and then the chrome background.
Look at it.
And I thought they were the chrome ones. I was like, oh no, I didn't want those
Yeah,
ones.
when I opened it, I seen this first. I was like, I didn't want to hurt her feelings, but I don't want the chrome one.
Really?
I would have made her take it back anyway.
You would have made me take it back.
Yeah.
Return.
Yeah, you know me, I ain't playing that shit. Well, lucky she, hey, lucky she's a car girl, car woman. But
No, I'm a mini me.
hell yeah, she knows exactly what I like. So I ain't have to look. I don't even have to go through that shit. But let me show y'all how to take these tail lights out. If y'all guys don't know, so you gotta, of course, pull this back. You screw this off. You screw this off. I don't know what the hell this shit is.
Now, what if that was some money?
Well, I would have been happy. Went cut. But you pop that, unscrew that one off, and then it'll be popping out. So let me start unscrewing. It's pretty easy, man.
I'm excited.
You excited?
Mm-hmm.
We gotta see what one look like in, one look like out. Be in the game,
They
man.
don't have too many of the aftermarket lights.
The what?
They have the chrome ones that are on the box, these ones, and then they have the other ones that your brother was looking at, or that your brother got. They don't have too many other variations
They gonna have
of
to
it.
wait for that video too when he gets them in.
Yeah.
They look different.
You like my my Christmas present to you?
Yeah.
That's good.
Just like
You
my
better. Shit, I spent enough money on these.
like a birthday present, but it's Christmas. It's Christmas Day, y'all. So
Birthday, Christmas, all wrapped up in one.
yeah. And I already got 2 screws off.
Yeah, no,
Working
these are
on the
really
third
simple.
one. Yeah, it's pretty simple. I got all 3 of those off. Let me get over here so they can see this. Bounce it off.
Oh yeah, it just pops off.
Yeah. These feel like they never came off.
They're the original.
Boom! So y'all see how it looks. Your boy SS Lucky. Had so many of these, I already know. This ain't nothing but a rerun to me. Well, look.
Those are clean.
Oh yeah, this one's so fun, man. Clean as fuck. Yeah. Boom, right here. Oh, okay, so I should have left that other light on there.
What light?
You gotta take the light from the other one and pop this one in there. So let me take that off.
What do you have to? Oh, the bulbs.
Yeah, you gotta take the bulbs off.
Oh yeah.
You gotta pop this shit off.
So yeah, we gotta transfer the lights. Hey.
You just pop all of that shit off.
You just pop them all off?
Yeah, this little clamp right here was holding on to this. Pop that off. And I forgot which one. I think it's this one that goes in here. Boom. I think that one. Let's put this in there. Peel that off. This one don't even need the bulb in there.
Why?
Because it don't light up nothing in there.
Oh.
It's all LED. Everything's hooked up for this one.
Oh, that's. Oh.
Watch.
I'm like, why is there no dang? Why don't you need no? See, when I had my Monte Carlo, he already had it all hooked up. I didn't have to worry about any of this.
He didn't make no videos on nothing.
And the lights that I had on my Monte Carlo were exactly the same ones, but they came from his. Oh, I like how that car sounds. They came from his the blue Monte Carlo. There we go. There you go. Oh, clean. See, just a little mix and match. That's pretty. Yeah. Do signal. Yep. Works. So that's pretty easy. It's gonna be looking crispy.
Oh yeah, that's not clean. So you hook it up to that one right there. All these ones.
Wait, I can't see.
Like all these other ones, you don't need them to go in there, but just to hold them so they won't be all.
Yeah.
Oh, you just you put them in there with no light bulbs. You just basically take the bulbs out because they got his own bulbs in there. Twist this thing. Yeah, see, he already got his all bulbs. It ain't taking bulbs, it's LED. So yeah.
Yeah.
Everything's working.
You just had to connect the power source to it, pretty much. This one, so this off. That's pretty clean.
Damn.
Damn, look. Breaking stuff.
That shit was bound to break. It was bound to break. There you go.
And it's good to go.
Once you plug it in, make sure everything, all your wires is put up right.
Yeah.
Get in there first.
Mm-hmm.
Screws. Got that. Got one more to go. Got two in there. That's right there. Nothing already looking right.
Mm-hmm.
I need to close down the hood to compare them.
There's no comparison. They look way better.
People like the factory look.
I mean, yeah, it's cool.
Some people just like have stuff that's factory. Some people just like factory. Some people don't like change or different. You know how people comment on my shit talking about keep the factories on there so I can look like everybody else. I don't want to look like everybody else. Shit.
Yeah, that looks
But
clean.
and again though, there's not that many Monte Carlos running around here. That's clean.
That's true.
So.
Let's see. Yes, buddy. See, and on the factory, that's why it was messing me up. Because on the factory, it only blinks on the bottom. But when you put these ones in, both the lights blink.
Hell yeah, that shit look way. Can't tell me that shit don't look tight compared to this. I mean, ain't nothing really wrong with the factories, but compared to the custom ones, ain't nothing like it. And they really ain't nobody riding around here with clean Monte Carlos. They always dog them out and fuck them up.
Yeah.
Like, man, looking for Monte Carlos that's running. You can find them cheap, but what's wrong with them? Oh yeah, that shit looks
Yeah,
clean.
baby, hella dogged out.
Clean. So we're gonna put this other one in there. I just want to see, get a good idea what they both, what's the difference in them. You just split that down in the middle like like this. This side look good this side. It look good this side. Oh, and by the way, I always gotta sell something. That Impala is for sale right there. It's a 2010 flex fuel LT Impala. You know, everything for sale. We just been driving this one. Yeah, she been driving it around, so everything's for sale. So y'all just get
that because you know damn well everything you have is not for sale.
Shit, for the right price, everything for sale. But no, I'm not selling my stocks, and no, I ain't selling this Monte Carlo. That's what she's trying to get at.
Yes.
No, I'm not selling. I'm not selling this time, you guys. I'm not. No more. I'm tired putting these damn Monte Carlos together. I'm gonna put one together and just ride the shit out of it and keep fixing on them. You know, yeah, we're gonna take this side out. Man, this thing, man, I got so many plans with this car, man. Y'all just gotta stay tuned and watch out. You don't never know what you might see on this channel. Lucky's wasn't this, man. You never know. Working. Perfect.
Dang, that shit looks crispy.
Hell yeah. Screw them in there. Pretty easy, man. You don't need no tools.
It looks clean.
I gotta get them headlights in.
Have you decided which headlights you're gonna go with? Now there's a lot of headlights for this one.
I think that's due to the Impala, because like my brother's Monte Carlo, they didn't have that many options of headlights. There's not that many options of headlights with those cars. They got the tint ones, and then they got the tint ones, the regular ones, and then the light tint ones, and then the
clear ones.
Clear one, like the ones with chrome. Like they didn't really have no like halo ones. Like I noticed that. Like I don't know where the fuck. Like they have the ones where you put the halo in it and custom it, but other than that, I couldn't see it. I'm doing this car all the way backwards from the way I did that 04 Monte Carlo Supercharged, the one I sold my brother. I'm doing this all the way different. I'm going with all the extra shit before I even
Wait. The reason why you're doing this one all the way different because you didn't blow up the motor in this one first.
True.
So you had to start off with that.
I painted that car. If you that out, I painted the car.
Yeah.
You know, I just worked in that car. And this car, I'm going straight for the looks. Kind of not without the paint. I'm going for all the extra. I'm putting a double dent in there. I didn't do that to the other car. I'm putting rims on. I already put rims on this one. I didn't do that to the other one. Put tail lights. I'm going with headlights. Doing all the other stuff before I can paint.
Because this is the one that you wanted originally. That's the reason why I got the 07. Because you're like, hey, they made a 07.
Yeah.
With the V8.
Year, so this is the last year. So now I can say I had the last year. I got I'm gonna put the factories back in there. Hey, look at it. Just look at it. Just look at this shit. You can't tell me that shit ain't clean. And if you said it's not clean, you're a liar. You're lying. No one believes you. No one believes you if you say they don't look right. You cannot tell me they don't look right. And if you say they don't, you a goddamn lie. You a goddamn lie, boy. Stupid. Shit. Playing around with me. Our rock's still looking good. I didn't curve them yet.
Don't talk that up.
Shit, hey, it's bound to happen. It always happens.
Yeah.
hey, when you don't try to do it, that's when it happens. I don't care. Right when you don't try to get a curve check, they happen. So shit, if you just don't pay attention, then it won't happen. But when you like, oh, I don't want to, you just keep being scared of the curve and the curve this. Next thing you know, you're like, oh. But I mean, it happens. It happens to almost all my cars. So hey, I'm just used to it. Yeah. Then I put new struts on here. I put new struts, all that, brand new struts. Put all that on there. It's running right, man. Straight. It's straight. It's looking good, but man, we gotta change these headlights next. Headlights coming off next.
You didn't like the projectors I had?
I liked them.
I liked them because they had like an eyebrow.
I don't know, they got so many different choices, man. There's so many different choices. And they got the new style. I'm going with projectors, but I just don't know which one. I'm about to go right when I get off this with y'all. I'm about to get on eBay and order me some, or Amazon. I'm gonna be looking though. You gotta look for a good deal too. I ain't really cheap. I just want what I want. I'm gonna get what I want, but I want the best price of what I want. That's the best way to shop, right?
Yep, always.
Oh man, it's looking good. I tinted the window, like I did this all the way different. I tinted the windows already. I'm doing shit pretty quick with this one. I'm confident I'm gonna keep it. I don't plan on selling it. None of that. I had what is this, my third one? That's a SS?
Yeah, third, fourth.
Yeah, I mean, I had a whole bunch of Monte Carlo SS, but as far as the one with the V8, this is the third one. We had the gray one with the white stripes, then we had the other black one, and then we got this black one. The other one, we had to do straight motor work to it too. Yeah. So this one, like, nah, this. Lifters, yeah, with the lifters. I didn't deal with so many cars, man. I can't even tell you how much I be spending because I sell cars. I put money on my own car, so shit, I got everything written on paper, and once I sell the car, shit, I throw that shit away. But here go look of it, man. Walk around it. Y'all get that vision, man. Them damn tail lights. Tail lights, boy. Still got the truck sitting over there. You got the vet sitting over there and the Camaro SS. Look at him. Look at him. I gotta make sure y'all subscribe, man. Follow me on Instagram. All that shit. Look at him. We're gonna put all these damn same stickers on the Camaro too. It ain't no game, boy. Oh, we putting the stickers and shit.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's gonna look right.
You gotta represent, man.
Mm-hmm.
So just like that, this video's over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Peace.